So here's a bit of detail of the mirror we're going to be unboxing. It looks very good in terms of aesthetics, really pleasing to the eye, and of course it does have a very good finish to it and lots of space to store all your lipsticks and nail polishes, acrylics and whatnot. The mirror finish is also very good and very standard, and there's more room at the back to store even your more little bits and hints, and you can actually move this mirror so in case you want to position it in a way that you would. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's unbox this vanity mirror together. You know, I do a lot of makeup tutorials and I usually use my camera to do that, and when I bumped into this vanity mirror, I was like, sign for me to get it. I love the packaging. It comes in a very nice size box, and I was removing, of course, the pipe. It comes with a metal pipe inside, nice and clean. It's got this round patch inside. We're gonna figure out where that goes in a minute. And yeah, nothing else in the box as I'm showing you here. The package comes, you know, in a nice bubble wrap, which is good because obviously your mirror won't break. Safe. And then the two packages that are in a foam bags, and the one I opened, this is the base. It comes with a velvety bottom at the end, so there's no slip, and then the top has got a very nice kind of ceramic finish to it, and of course our mirror. And the quality of this mirror, guys, is like wall standard, so that's really a plus. And the metal thing has got screws on it, which you put on the bottom, so it's very easy. You won't really need any tool. You just kind of screw that in with your hands, just twist it around a few times until you really feel that it's nice and locked. And yeah, already it's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. I ended up placing this on my dresser, and I could actually fit you know, a few things on there. So then on the top part, it's got this self-adhesive, but it's covered. Then that's the self-adhesive I'm touching. So you literally just pull this cover up white paper and just place your mirror on there. Like, basically use your center to actually place that on the center, and voila, you do have your vanity mirror ready all and set. It's so easy to assemble, guys. You need no instructions. Literally won't really fuss around, but it's nice and easy, and like I said, very functional, very good quality mirror. And you know, for aesthetics, it's also so pleasing to the eye, I must say. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this vanity mirror, and I'll see you on the next one. Coolios.
What is waiting half a step beyond our door? Yeah. And if it's